friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I really hope you all are doing great. I'm here today with an excellent recipe of fish tikkas, and these tikkas are so scrumptious that you all are gonna love it for sure. Even for those who do not like fish and also do not prefer making tikkas from fish, you all are gonna love this recipe and keep making fish tikkas again and again. That's for sure. You just have to try this recipe for once and you all are gonna love it. And these tikka recipe is so flavorful, so moist from inside, and you are really gonna enjoy them. So I really want you guys to try this recipe. And for those who are new to my channel, I really hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my coming uploads. Ingredients are given at the description box below as always. And these are the ingredients what would we need at the first marination: salt, lime juice, ginger garlic paste, and some boneless fish. Here I have 300 grams of boneless fish washed and drained well. Ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, salt as per your taste, and 1 tablespoon of lime juice. You just have to mix them well and coat the fish well in these and marinate it only for 15 to 20 minutes, not more than that. Here the first marinade is ready. And now let's prepare to the next marination, and let me show you what are the spices, dry ingredients what we would need for this recipe. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of besan or gram flour, 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain or karam seeds. Salt will be according to your taste. And here we'll be needing around 3 tablespoon of hung curd or thick yogurt, which is not at all watery, just make sure. 1 teaspoon of coriander leaves, very finely chopped. You can even take half teaspoon of mint and half teaspoon of coriander leaves. Here you have to take 2 tablespoon of mustard oil. I did not have, so I have taken normal vegetable oil. Please do take mustard oil if you really have. They give the best flavor in tikkas. Here in a bowl I have taken the dry ingredients and trying to mix them well, and I'll be adding the yogurt, coriander leaves and oil to this and giving it a good whisk. Good mix is really important as we don't want any lumps from the gram flour or besan. And here mixing it well, and then you can see how thick this is. That's mainly because of the hung curd or the thick yogurt. Here I'll be adding the fish pieces. You have seen I have not added any leftover water or the lime juice what was in it, and just adding the fish pieces and giving it a good mix, and this is ready to be marinated now. You can see how well and thick the marination is. Just make sure the marination is always thick and not watery. And here now this will be marinated for around 2 to 3 hours maximum. Now here for that attractive tikka looks, you really need some colorful bell peppers, but if you do not have, then that's really fine with green. Some onion dices, and these are the 3 colors of bell peppers what we'll be needing, and some butter to brushed on the top of the fish at the last. And here these are some skewers, wooden one. Here I'm just taking these dices, capsicum and the onion dices in a bowl, and 1 teaspoon or a tablespoon of oil. If you have mustard, use the same, and some chaat masala. That's my touch. I always do the same for all the tikkas, may it be fish or chicken or veggies. I really love that flavor of chaat masala in these veggies, but then that's totally fine. If you do not have chaat masala, you can always just mix it with the leftover tikka masala. And here I started with the preparation for the tikkas, and with the wooden skewer I started with the dices of capsicum. That's totally your choice, whichever color, onions or capsicum, may it be anything. You can just go on pricking according to your choice of the colors. Here I started with the green bell pepper dice, and then fish, again onions and some bell peppers on the top. Isn't that red color bell pepper giving it a lovely look? And then now let me give you a tip which would make these tikkas perfect. For even cooking, just make sure you do not overlap. Just do not fill too many pieces of the tikkas into the skewer. You can see I have just taken 3 pieces, and there are enough space between the fish tikkas so that it can cook evenly. And now they look so delicious, isn't it? Even before frying them, if they look so delicious, how are they gonna taste and look after frying them? They are all set to go on the grill. Here I'm using an electric grill of mine, but you can do this on just a normal pan, or a grill pan would be great to get that nice marks of the tikkas. And here I have just kept it on medium flame. As you know, fish doesn't take too long to cook, they are quick. And when I just started to cook the fish, I also kept charcoal pieces to get that smoky flavor. We'll be using that at the end. So now let's concentrate on cooking of these tikkas. Just make sure you grease the grill very well, because you know the fish are very delicate, and then when you turn it would then just stick on the grill. And here I was just flipping it once it was cooked. It was just in 3 to 4 minutes. The electric grill really cooks very fast. This fish was hamor, which is called as that brown spotted grouper fish. But as it was bigger one, it took a while. I mean, quite some time, like around 7 to 8 minutes. But if yours are just tender ones, you can even use kingfish pieces, which would really cook very fast, depending on the size of the fish. Now, as you have seen, I have also applied some butter on the both sides and flipping it to the both sides. Here my fishes were done. And the final round was to get that smoky flavor. We just kept a charcoal in between the fish pieces and on a aluminium foil, and then you can even take a steel bowl, that's fine, and just drop some ghee, a scoop of ghee, and then that gives such a good smoky flavor. And here I'm drooling on the pictures now, because I know how good it tasted. And here I can show you how moist and tender it is from inside, and how I have evenly cooked it from outside. It's not overcooked at all, because the fish would lose its moistness, so do not overcook them. Now if you are really drooling on these pictures like how I did, you really got to try this recipe right now, and let me know in the comments below if you liked it or not. Coming to my extra points, you can make it more spicy by adding more red chili powder, or even chopping a green chili on this. And adding red color can be optional if you want it to look really red. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures what you have tried from my channel. I would really love to share it on my feed. Do tag me on Salva's Delicious Kitchen there. And I really hope you all have subscribed to my channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care, dearies. Bye bye.